this your girl Tiana. I Can Only Be Me, and I'm back at you with another Clean With Me video. This time, I'm in my den, and I'm trying. It's nighttime, and I got on as much light as I can. But you know, I'm just cleaning up tonight, so I won't have really much to do tomorrow. So let's get started. And first off, I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers and welcome back to all of my old subscribers. Y'all, let's get started. And thank y'all for watching my videos. Mwah! Okay, there's a bonus to this den, and I will show you guys when I come back with the finished result of what my clean den looked like. Thank God, because it needed dusting and everything. So I'll be back, loves. All right, family, the den is clean, and so I'm finna give y'all a view of what it looks like. But keep in mind now, my den is an actual second bedroom, and it's just my husband and I. So I just took my second bedroom and turned it to another living room, which is a den, a sitting area. So excuse me for the shaking, but I have cleaned it and everything, and this is what my den looks like. The colors I'm going with is purple, and I have green furniture in here, but purple, green, and gold. I'm trying to get the colors together. This is what I have so far. Okay. And like I told y'all, there is a bonus to this room, and you will see in just a second. Okay, so I'm just gonna come in and pan around, and I'm just gonna close the door behind me because I have to give y'all a good view of what it is that's in this room. That's a bonus. Over there in that corner, I know I need some kind of greenery. I don't know what it is I'm gonna put there just yet, but something's gonna go there. So yeah. Okay, this is the room right here at this angle. Okay. So now I didn't want too much in the center of my table, because in the center on the table, because it's small in here, and my table and my chair is not that far apart. I mean, my chair and my TV isn't that far apart, but you know, I needed something in the center of my floor. So I didn't want it to be, you know, too tall where you can't see the TV. So this is the angle from this side, and you're gonna see the bonus. I need something on this wall also. I haven't found out just yet. And this is the bonus, you guys. This is my closet cloffice. It's a cloffice. It's an office in a closet. And this is what I have. This is my cloffice, y'all. I'm gonna go up a little bit closer so you guys can see. Yeah. And I just put some of that up top, these things up top right here. I didn't take the pole down, no I didn't. I'm not that handy. Okay, so yeah, you guys, I have a cloffice in my den. I took the door off the wall and I turned my closet into an office. Small little office spot. Y'all don't pay no attention to that, but I had to find somewhere to put my little bin. So yeah, and I'm gonna come back this way and go around for you guys just one more time. Wait. Y'all ain't good with this here. Okay. And as you can see, my TV is right there. Okay, so I want to thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you give this video thumbs up. If y'all enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please comment down below and let me know what it is that you liked or didn't like about it. Let me know if it's anything that y'all suggest that I can do to it. Like I said, I'm making changes. Well, this is your girl Tiana. I Can Only Be Me. I want to thank y'all for watching my video. and please subscribe to my channel. Let anybody and everybody that you may know that may like this video to subscribe to your girl's channel. I appreciate you guys, and I want to thank you. I want to thank all of you for all of your love and all of your support. Until next time, this is your girl. Be blessed.